Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, eastern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, south central Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Jolton, or 10 miles northeast of Ashland City, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ashland City, Nashville, Madison, Goodlettsville, Greenbrier, Coopertown, Bellmead, Ridgetop, Jolton, Pleasant View, Bells Bend, Whites Creek, and Beeman Park.
It's getting pretty gnarly, y'all.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 199 and 213.
Yeah, too far west.
Interstate 65 between mile markers 82 and 93. Interstate 24 between mile markers 28 and 49. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Wait for the doubleheader? Maybe?
Excessive heat warning remains in